Once again, I welcome you all in my new video. And in this today's video, we are going to discuss about the nutrition in hair plants. Okay, students. So nutrition is done by the hair plants by the process, a biological process. We can say biochemical process. That's the name is photosynthesis. That's the name is photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is a anabolic process. This is a anabolic process. It is asked in your board exams. So anabolic means something is made. Okay. So first discuss the definition. The process of synthesis of food in the chloroplast of green plants with the help of CO2 and H2O under the presence of sunlight, okay, it's called photosynthesis. Okay, so for you all, this is the plant. Okay, we can say twig of the plant, and it has the students leaves. So these leaves have the small cells. And these cells have the chloroplast. These small cells have the chloroplast. Okay, and if you want to know more about this, so just go to your previous classes and you will get more about the you can say chloroplast, and you can also search into the playlist. Okay, so this is the structure of the chloroplast. Okay, there is a thylakoid, stack of thylakoid named granum. Okay, and this granum contains the chlorophyll molecules. Okay, and these chlorophyll molecule absorb the solar energy. Okay, students, and one more thing that is very important, that this is asked also in your examination. Okay, I think at the interval of 1 or 2 years it is asked in your examination. So the raw material for the photosynthesis, okay, CO2, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, sunlight. Sunlight means solar energy. I can say that photosynthesis is a process that converts the solar energy into the chemical energy. Okay, and these are also asked in examinations. So there is a reaction, CO2, water in the presence of sunlight into the chlorophyll. And where do this chlorophyll occur? These are found into the chloroplast. Don't write in your notebook, students, just I am just telling you all. See, like this. Once again, see, chloro cell, then chloroplast contains, you all must be knowing, this is the granum. And if you see one structure of the granum, it has quantazome. And these quantazome have 20, 30, 40, 50, up to 100 also. What are these things? Chlorophyll molecule. Okay, and in that you all have been taught and studied also chlorophyll A, B, okay, C, D, whatever. Okay, so I think you all have a general idea where do chlorophyll present. Okay, so CO2 combines with the water molecule. Okay, and CO2 is reduced into the carbohydrate. Okay, into a carbohydrate, we can say starch. Okay, this is the glucose molecule, and glucose molecules are synthesized, are combined together, and they result into a polysaccharide named is the starch. This is the glucose. Okay, अब ग्लूकोज के बच्चों मॉलिक्यूल ही मिल के आपस में क्या बनाते हैं? स्टार्च के मॉलिक्यूल बनाते हैं. ठीक है. So other side, water molecule get oxidized. Okay, oxidized into oxygen molecule, and other hand water molecule also. ओके, अब कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा कि सर वाटर इससे मिला फिर वाटर कहाँ से बन गया। दिस इज इन हाई अमाउंट 12 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, but here only 6 molecule. Okay, got the students, got the point? And it is asked also in your examination in single marks that write the reactant out of which O2 is evolved. O2 कहाँ से निकलता है? वो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल से निकलते हैं। वाटर यानी S और 2 और O, यानी कि if you see this is the hydrogen, okay, and oxygen, okay, and this is the hydrogen. So these bonds gets broken and O2 molecule evolve, okay, and this is all about. And next is the event during photosynthesis. It is also very important. So there are 3 main events, okay, there are many events, okay, but class 10th according, okay, it is only 3 mentioned here in your NCERT and by me also, okay. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, लाइट एनर्जी को कौन जब करता है? क्लोरोफिल. एंड देन कन्वर्जन ऑफ लाइट एनर्जी टू केमिकल, यस आई हैव आल्सो मेंशनड टू यू ऑल. chemical light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, you can say molecule. Next is the reduction of CO2 to carbohydrate, okay, carbohydrate we can say starch, okay, starch also. So many, there are many starch also, you can say amylopectin also. But if it is also asked in your examination in the option, then you can also go to tick it, okay. So student, this is all about the photosynthesis according to class 10th level. And if you are new, please subscribe my channel for these informative videos and lots of matter, okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.